Hi guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing okay. Welcome to FactTriger. Here, you will find scientific/educational videos on almost every topic that is cool and useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe.
Number 1. What is NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token. It's generally built using the same kind of programming as cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but that's where the similarity ends. Physical money and cryptocurrencies are fungible, meaning they can be traded or exchanged for one another. Number 2. How does NFT works? NFTs are individual tokens, with valuable information stored in them. Because they hold a value, primarily set by the market and demand, they can be bought and sold, just like other physical types of art. NFTs' unique data makes it easy to verify and validate their ownership and the transfer of tokens between owners. Number 3. What is the use of NFTs? NFTs can be used in real estate to simplify and speed up transactions, enable smart contracts for properties, or even create decentralized home rental services, all while protecting sensitive data like credit card details. Number 4. How to buy NFTs. If you're keen to start your own NFT collection, you'll need to acquire some key items. First, you'll need to get a digital wallet that allows you to store NFTs and cryptocurrencies. You will likely need to purchase some cryptocurrency, like Ether, depending on what currencies your NFT provider accepts. You can buy crypto using a credit card on platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, eToro, and even PayPal and Robinhood now. You'll then be able to move it from the exchange to your wallet of choice. You will want to keep fees in mind as you research options. Most exchanges charge at least a percentage of your transaction when you buy crypto. I will tell you about popular NFT marketplaces in bonus because you are my subscriber. If you did not subscribe to my YouTube channel yet, so do subscribe now for more videos like this. First platform is named as OpenSea.io. This peer-to-peer platform bills itself a purveyor of rare digital items and collectibles. To get started, all you need to do is create an account to browse NFT collections. You can also sort pieces by sales volume to discover new artists. Second platform is named as Rarible. This platform is similar to OpenSea. Rarible is a democratic, open marketplace that allows artists and creators to issue and sell NFTs. RARI tokens issued on the platform enable holders to weigh in on features like fees and community rules. Should you buy NFTs? Investing in NFTs is a largely personal decision. If you have money to spare, it may be worth considering, especially if a piece holds meaning for you. But keep in mind, an NFT's value is based entirely on what someone else is willing to pay for it. Therefore, demand will drive the price rather than fundamental, technical, or economic indicators, which typically influence stock prices, and at least generally form the basis for investor demand. All this means, an NFT may resale for less than you paid for it. Or you may not be able to resell it at all, if no one wants it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon in the very next video.